Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to prepare tasty items with leftover things. Here I made some upma and ladoos with leftover chapatis and tasty kheer with leftover rice. Okay, so these are the upma and ladoos from leftover chapatis. So let's get started. Here are some leftover chapatis and little rice. From this rice we cannot make any fried rice or anything else because it's very little, and for kheer we need very little of rice. So let's get started. So I've taken 1 liter of milk and I'm reducing to half. I'll boil it and reduce it to half. Meanwhile, I've taken the leftover rice in a mixing jar. I've added half a cup of milk to it, and I'm going to grind it coarsely so the texture is somewhat like this. The milk has started boiling. We have to boil it till it reduces into half. Now we are going to add the leftover rice which we have grounded coarsely. We'll mix it well in the milk and let it boil for some more minutes. Here I am adding half cup of sugar. You can add sugar according to your taste. If you want more sweet, you can add more sugar. Or if you want less, you can reduce the quantity of the sugar. And then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes on low flame till it becomes thick. Now our kheer has become thick. It is almost done. Now I'm adding some fried dry fruits to it, and I'm adding some pista and some saffron threads to it. Here our tasty and delicious kheer is ready to eat. We'll break the leftover chapatis into small pieces. Do not grind it in the mixer jar because it will become too powdery. We do not want in a powder form. We want small pieces of chapatis. Okay, so we'll do it with the hands only. Small amount of chapati pieces into a small bowl to make some ladoos. Here I am adding some jaggery to the chapati mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of pure ghee, give it a nice mix and make it into small ladoos. It's very tasty, very healthy, very nutritious and very good for children. Our tasty and healthy ladoos are ready to eat. Children can take them in the tiffin box also. We'll make the upma. In a kadai, I have taken 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, we are going to add the chopped onions to it, some green chilies and curry leaves, and saute them well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and ½ teaspoon of chili powder and mix them very well. Once they are nicely mixed, we are going to add the leftover chapatis pieces into it and we'll fry them nicely. Salt to taste. Sprinkle some little water to it and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes and your tasty chapati upma is ready to eat. It's very tasty. Recipes and let me know in the comment section how did you like it. the kheer from leftover chapatis, and these are the upma and the ladoos with leftover chapati. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe my channel so that you will get the notification first. God bless you all.